as we all continue to celebrate Neeraj Chopra's historic gold medal at the Tokyo Olympics, it's also important to acknowledge the many forces that helped guide Neeraj to that gold over the last 5 years. There's, of course, the government of India, who spent crores on his campaign, left almost no stone unturned in trying to help him win that medal. But there were also some private bodies involved, private bodies like JSW Sports. With me is their head of sports excellence and scouting, Manisha Malhotra. Just to start, if you could just tell us what's the kind of contributions you had when he just picked up a phone and called you and said, "I need this. Could you please help me?" And you could do that for him.
Yeah, I mean, I think a good example would be when he had this elbow injury. When he picked up the phone and he said, "Okay, listen, I have an elbow injury. I want to get it shown." He was flown to Bombay. He was shown to Dr. Padiwala. Padiwala suggested surgery, and the next day he was in surgery. And it was all very, very quick and very, very fluid, because we knew that we didn't have so much time to waste in the Olympic cycle. And then was the rehab, and again the rehab was very, very focused. It was done with a very time bound manner, where we knew we had to get him back by a certain date and we needed him in optimum shape. And along with the rehab, there's many factors that come in, like his strength and conditioning, because I mean, an elbow is hurt, sure, he can't throw the javelin, but there's a lot that goes into the fitness of an athlete, and to just maintain that level of strength and basic fitness, even if he can't throw. So we actually used that time when he was in elbow surgery with Spencer, who's our strength and conditioning expert at the Inspire Institute, to give him a program. And he was working on that program. He was on the bike a lot. He was doing a lot of strength stuff for his lower body, core, back. So, I mean, those kind of things. Now, when you look back, they probably did have some sort of difference, I mean, and when it just happened, you don't see the immediate value of them. But, to be able to get Neeraj into, the best shape of his life, it has taken a team effort. I mean, I definitely don't think that we are the sole creditors of this whole thing. It's all a team effort, and there's no way. The federation has done a fantastic job.
We see a lot of pictures of Neeraj on social media where he has Dr. Klaus with him, but he also has Ishan with him, the physiotherapist, who's been traveling with him. He went with him to Tokyo before the lockdown last year. They were together in Sweden this time before the Olympics. He's there. He's basically always there with Neeraj, and that's somebody that JSW's helped him with, right?
Correct. So he's our employee. It's just that now he's reached the stage where he's so comfortable, and Neeraj and him are so comfortable with each other that we didn't want to rock and change much before the Olympic Games. And Neeraj has a certain way he likes himself stretched and the way the recovery works. And now Ishan has come to know and knows his body better than pretty much anybody. So, they have that comfort level. And I think that, Ishan has helped him immensely in terms of, just keeping his body loose and keeping him injury free and managing that whole scenario. And of course, you can't do any of this without resources. So you can't win any gold medal without resources. So whether it's JSW, whether it's government, whether it's MYAS, whether it's SAI, whoever it is, all credit goes out to them. And I think that everybody is just a good team, and it's been a fun journey to work together with everybody.
Yes, of course, it's been a complete team effort to get India that goal. The federations, the government, they've all contributed. They've done their bit. The government of India, in fact, even shared, 7 crore is the number that we're hearing was the amount spent on Neeraj Chopra over the last 5 years to help him with his preparations and, to help him compete at different tournaments. But again, coming back to JSW, and, you also were part of another medalist campaign, Bajrang Punia. So if you can just again take us through, the kind of things that you could help them out with in, this Olympic cycle closer to the games.
The journey of every athlete is quite individual. So we try and look after each athlete based on their individual needs. And, for example, like a Neeraj, he has a physio. Then there was a time when he needed some help. We got him another South African physio while he was already training in South Africa for a different perspective. We have also shown him, in the middle there when he didn't have a coach, we sent him to Germany and he trained in Germany. So there's all these kind of things, even for Bajrang for that matter. We've had him work with a lot of strength and conditioning experts to get his fitness going. We've had him work with, he also has a physiotherapist who's been with him through the whole thing. The physio didn't go to Tokyo, but that's secondary. He's always with him every other time. And there's a lot of different aspects of sport, whether it's nutrition, whether it's the mental train. I mean, all these guys are normally talking to a psychologist, every now and then when things are not so good. I know that Neeraj had a lot of appointments with Chaitanya through his whole rehab phase, just Not that there was anything wrong with him, but it was more like a preventive kind of thing. Bajrang, I know, has to talk to, has a lot of different things that he needs. In some scenarios, he likes his particular training partners to go with him to different places to be able to work on things. And so those are the facilities that, we kind of provide. And we're just a little bit, we're just like this one-stop shop, that our goal is that the Indian athlete gets anything and everything that they want. So whether it's supplementing what the government is giving them, or whether we have to do it sometimes a lot more than others, and you don't have to get to this stage. I mean, of course, Neeraj and Bajrang at a very elevated stage of their careers, and they can get pretty much anything they ask for from anybody.
We are truthful, unafraid and independent because of you. Now you can help our reporting from the ground. Go to thequint.com, click Become a Member tab, choose a plan and pay. Because the truth is worth it.